so let's take a look at number 8. So we've got the same thing that we've been seeing in previous problems. So given that angle BCE is 77 degrees, I need to determine ACB. So BCE is this angle. So I am saying that this angle is 77 degrees. And it wants me to find ACB. So ACB is this angle. I notice that it makes a straight line. So that means that it has to equal 180. So I've got 180 minus the 77, and that's going to give me the angle that I'm missing. So I type that into my calculator, and I get that this is 103 degrees. Okay. What is the sum of ACB, ABC, BAC? So let's just take a look at this. ACB, ACB. Well, right here, there, that is 103. Okay. ABC is this angle. So I'm going to shade that blue. So that's going to be my blue angle. Because I don't know what it measures, I'm just going to leave it there. And remember, it's the middle letter. So I'm just going to label this B. Okay. BAC is this angle. I'm not sure what it measures, so I'm going to color it and shade it a different color. So that's going to be my pink angle. And because I don't know what it is, I'm going to say that it is angle A. Now, what we know is that all of those things added together are going to be 180 degrees because they are all part of the same triangle. So that is the answer to part B. Using that information, it asks me what is ABC plus BAC. So it is asking me what my blue plus my pink is. So if we look at it, A and B together is what it is asking us to find. So it wants us to find A and B together. So if I look carefully, 103 plus something gives me 180. That something is 77 degrees. So I don't know which one measures what. I just know that together the sum is 77 degrees. What angles are the same measure as ABC? So I've got A, B, C. So that is my blue again. So if we look at it, what we should notice is that I have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. This is B. Over here is A. Here is D. Here is E. So if we look, this angle, looking at our transversals, is congruent to this angle because it being alternate interior. So when it asks me angle ABC, angle ABC is congruent to angle, technically, BDE. Remember, we have that point in the middle that is C. So we're going to say CDE. Because they are alternate interior angles. Okay, now it asks me what angles are the same measure as BAC. So I'm going to use another Post-it. I'm going to cover it. You can kind of see it. So my parallel lines do not change. So when I look at it, BAC is my pink angle. So I want to use this transversal this time. So I've got A. Remember there was a point C in there. And I've got E. And B was over here. D was here. And I'm not using either one of those right now. So angle A, or angle BAC, is that one. Using my transversal rules, I see that angle E is the alternate interior, and it must be congruent. So angle BAC is congruent to angle CED because they are alternate interior angles. Now, it is going to ask me, what is the sum of ABC and CED? So if we look, ABC is our blue. So I'm going to outline that in blue. And then CED is a pink angle. So I'm going to outline that in pink. Okay. If we go back up to letter C, we notice we have a blue and a pink. What do a blue and a pink equal? 77. So here's how I want you to think about it. If BAC is congruent to CED, can't I just replace this? So I have the measurement, so if angle ABC plus angle BAC equals 77, then angle ABC plus angle CED also equals 77 degrees when angle BAC and angle CED are congruent. So all I have done is taken my two congruent angles, which were right here, and replaced one with the other. So a blue and a pink will give me 77 degrees for this one. Now, angle BAC is a pink angle, and angle CDE is a blue angle. So with what we just said, I know that both of these are 77 degrees.